Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you where you can find the Facebook page setting. So first of all, you have to log into your account, Facebook account. You can see I'm in my Facebook account and go to this page section inside your Facebook account. From here you will see the list of Facebook page that you manage. In my case, I have lots of Facebook page. So to find the Facebook page setting, all you have to do is select the Facebook page that you want to see the Facebook page setting, and the trick here is you have to switch your personal account into the Facebook page account to see the Facebook page setting. So you can do that from here. Switch now, and you are now switched to the Facebook page profile instead of your usual personal account. So you can see from here. So to see the Facebook page setting, this is the option. Here you will find the Facebook page setting. Tap on this. From here you can do lots of customization like a Facebook detail, post, story, or anything that it has to do with Facebook page setting. So this is how, or this is where you can find Facebook page setting. So in-depth video talking about Facebook page is coming into this channel, so make sure you like and subscribe to it.